This story is about the time when this earth was ruled by humans and wizards. A long time ago, when humans and wizards ruled the land together, peace and power existed side by side. One day, the leaders of humans and the most powerful wizards decided to create a special ring, one that would protect their tribes from any danger in the future. One by one, wizards from every tribe crafted these magical rings, each filled with great power. But greed can lead even the wisest astray. Some wizards, wanting more power, made a terrible mistake. They befriended Izazeel. A dark and dangerous being who had been locked away for centuries. They decided to set him free. As soon as this news spread, fear took over the land. Every tribe began whispering about the betrayal. The balance of power was now at risk, and no one knew what would happen next. To protect their people, the remaining wizards created a magical shield. But Izazeel's power was far too strong, and the shield could not hold for long. Chaos spread as everything began to fall apart. However, not everyone gave up. A group of brave warriors and wizards decided to stand against Izazeel.
Fight for the future.
Victory was within reach, but defeating Izazeel was not easy. The battle raged on many days, shaking the land with its fury. Finally, after a long and difficult fight, Izazeel was defeated. It is said that along with him, the corrupt wizards who had betrayed their kind were also destroyed, and the powerful ring, it mysteriously vanished. Some believe the ring was lost forever, buried in the ruins of the battle. But others whisper that it still exists, hidden somewhere, waiting to be found new master.